guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to Our Irish Family. Today I want to do a cleaning video. It's been a long time since I did a cleaning video. I think I've done 3 so far in 2019, which is really unusual because usually my channel was cleaning and then the parenting, family, lifestyle stuff, but it's taken a bit of a switch. I'm doing grocery hauls on Sundays and my trying to conceive journey on Mondays, and then I kind of dropped the Thursday video, but it's back again. It's going to be a mixture of everything, including cleaning and decluttering, which is what it's going to be probably for the next few weeks because I gotta. We have accumulated a whole lot of stuff. Stuff isn't in their right places or where I want it to be. It's not organized. It's not clean. It's messy. So I just wanted to get that all sorted, and I'm gonna bring you along on that journey. But before I get into it, I would love if you have an Instagram, if you go over to my page, my Instagram page, Karen H Ireland is my username there. I'm now posting daily grid photos and also doing Instagram stories. It gives a little bit of an insight on what we do on the day-to-day basis. There is some kind of like cross promoting with my YouTube videos, but in general 4 or 5 of the days I don't really post anything got to do with YouTube, so I would love if you go over there. I have so much different content. I do kind of little reviews, on the spot reviews. Like the other day I went to a new play place that is around that I saw opened a new sensory area, so myself and Ava went to explore, and I do a little mini review on how much it costs us and that sort of stuff. So I would love if you go over and like my Instagram page and, you know, support me over there. But if you don't have an Instagram and you do have a Facebook, I would love if you go to my Facebook page. The same thing happens there. Every day I am posting new content there. Again, there is some cross promotion with my YouTube, but in general it is different content. Our Irish Family is my Facebook page, and both of those links will be in the description. But please, I would love if you come over there to support me. It would really make my day. But on to today's video. It's going to be a cleaning video of the living room, kitchen and dining room. It's basically kind of picking up stuff with a little bit more of a deep clean in certain areas, getting the dust away, and then doing the counters and all that sort of stuff. So I would love if you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new here, I would love if you subscribe. As I said, I do videos Sunday, Mondays and Thursdays. Sometimes not Thursdays, just the Sundays and Mondays, but I'm trying to get back into that Thursday video for you. So that is it. I hope you enjoy the content that is coming up.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here, I gotta get it through my head, that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town, this feeling has me stepping down. But I don't wanna have to wait too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.
Yeah. Yeah. Shit is out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night.
Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life.
I saw you when you passed me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I in tonight. That your sexy little booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky. A place we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time. Look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I know I found you, girl. You got me.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As I said at the start, I would love if you come over to Instagram. Karen H Ireland is my username there, or Facebook, or Irish Family is my Facebook page. I would love if you support me on those platforms as well as here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.